recognize something important. The fact that we're here breathing, awake, means today is already a gift. You see, God didn't have to give us this day, but He did. And that alone means today can't be meaningless, no matter what it holds. Now, with that in mind, I want to expose another lie today. A lie that a lot of us live with quietly and don't always realize how much it's shaping the way we feel. The lie says that looking at where others are will help us understand where we should be. So I want to ask you something. Why does comparison show up so fast in our life? Why does it slip in without being invited? And why does it almost always leave us feeling heavier instead of clearer? Most of us don't wake up planning to compare ourselves to anyone. It just happens. We notice where someone else is in life, what they have, how quickly things seem to be moving for them. And before we even realize it, our joy actually starts shrinking. So what's really going on then? Is comparison actually about other people? Or is it about what we're afraid we're missing? Because here's what the lie actually does to us. Comparison slowly drains gratitude, and it actually turns appreciation into pressure. It makes our own progress feel almost invisible. And over time, it convinces us that the life we're living isn't enough. It doesn't motivate us, it divides us. It doesn't clarify direction, it confuses it. And it quietly pulls our focus away from who we are and places it on who we think we're supposed to be. And the moment that shift happens, peace doesn't stand a chance. Scripture speaks directly to this. In Galatians 6:4, it says, "Let each one test his own work, and then his reason to boast will be in himself alone and not in his neighbor." That verse isn't telling us to ignore others. It's reminding us not to measure lives against someone else's path. Scripture gives us even more clarity. In 2 Corinthians 5:7, it says, "For we walk by faith, not by sight." So what does that actually mean for us? It means comparison is a side problem. Faith says, I trust the path God gave me, even if it looks different. Comparison says, I'll feel okay once I catch up. But God never asked us to live borrowed lives. He asked us to live faithful ones. So let's sit with this question today. What if the life we are comparing ourselves to is distracting